A very good morning to you all, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Children, today we will do the revision work of Unit 2. The name of the chapter is People Who Help Us. Okay, and at the same time, we will do the revision of work of one more chapter from grammar. Okay, children. Now, see, children, astronaut. In this, from this chapter, we will come to know that how people help us. What are their professions? Okay, children. So, see, children, you can see this picture. Girl is wearing astronaut's dress, isn't it? So, can you tell me how astronauts helps us? Astronauts work in mission control. Let me tell you, astronauts work in mission control, the voice that communicates with astronauts in orbit. Check out procedures and a checklist the crew in space will use. Help verify the space station and vehicle software. Develop procedures and tools to be used during spacewalks or robotic operations. Okay, children? Now, let us recall. See these pictures, you have to name the pictures. The first picture is of a chef. The second picture is of a pilot. The third picture is of a doctor. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with his or her. This we have done in the previous chapter. So the same thing we will recall, that how you will identify, like how will you write this his or her, when to put this one. So she always goes with female. At the same time, her is also goes with female. Okay, so she is a teacher, then her name is Mitra. Okay, he is a singer, his name is Bala. Okay, because he's always denotes male. Okay, and he also denotes male. Now look and say there are name of the some professions and how they helps us. Okay, and over here the tools, what type of tools they used is also given. See, teacher teaches us with the help of book. Okay, doctor checks up with the help of stethoscope. Okay, postman delivers later. Okay, shopkeeper sells groceries items. Okay, fishermen catch fish with the help of net. The driver of a van drives. Okay, next, firefighter use hose to extinguish fire. Engineer wore helmet. Tailor stitches cloth. Carpenter with the help of saw. Policeman goes with baton. Aeroplane pilot. Okay, children. So these are the professions and the words related to them. Now let us sing The Farmer in the Field. The farmer plants the seeds, the sun comes out to shine. Hey ho, the dairy ho, the sun comes out to shine. The rain begins to fall, the seeds begin to grow. Hey ho, the dairy ho, the seeds begin to grow. The vegetables are here, the farmer takes them out. Hey ho, the dairy ho, the farmer takes them out. Now it's time to eat, now it's time to thank. Hey ho, the dairy ho, now it's time to thank. So, from the above passage, what we have come to know, that the farmer plants seeds first. Okay, then after the sun comes out, then the rain begins to fall. Okay, after the sun comes out to shine. Okay, so after some time the rains begins to fall, the seeds begin to grow. After that the vegetables are here, the farmer takes them out. Now it's time to eat, now it's time to thank. To whom? Farmer. Okay, now dress day. Class 2 children like Malini teacher a lot. Her class is always full of fun. Tomorrow we'll have a fancy dress, so we all have to dress up like people who help us, says the teacher. The next day the class is colorful, everyone is dressed up. Malini teacher is happy. Come on kids, Talk about yourself, says the teacher. I am Varun. I am a farmer. I grow food for you. So, what does a farmer do? Farmer grows food for us. Okay. Next, I am Charu. I am a dancer. I make you happy with my dance. I am Abdul. I am a pilot. I fly up in the sky. Okay. I am Divya. I am an engineer. I build houses. So, children, you can see here each and every profession has some work. Okay. So, through this, they are delivering the same message to us. Okay. Sorry. I am Nancy. I am a doctor. I treat sick people. I am David. I am a plumber. I mend and fix your pipes. I am Punitha. I am a teacher. I teach kids. I am Ravi. I am a chef. I love cooking yummy food. I am a Johnny. I am a driver. I drive people around on a bus. Where is Ginny? Asked the teacher. She jumps from behind the chair. I am here. I am the magician. I do tricks to make you laugh. Oh, that interesting, says the teacher. It is a happy day. What fun they have. Okay, children. So, children, in this way, we can understood the different professions. Okay, and the way they help us. Okay, for example, doctor helps us how they treat sick people. Okay, plumber they mend and fix our pipes. So, in this way, you have to learn this. Okay, any type of question can come. Now, take the correct word. You have to identify picture and you have to take the correct word. The first picture is of a farmer. The second picture is of a dancer. The third picture is of a doctor. The fourth picture is of a pilot. So the first picture is of a farmer. The second picture is of a dancer. The third picture is of a doctor, and the last picture is of a pilot. Match the pictures. You have to match these pictures with their characters. First one is a bus. Bus will go with the third picture, the driver. Aeroplane, second one will go with the first picture, pilot. And the third picture, plumber. Okay, they fix up our pipes. It will go with second picture. Now listen, think, and write. What is the name of the dancer? Charu. What does the farmer grow? The farmer grow food for us. What does your father mother do? You have to write their profession. What would you like to become? You have to write what would you like to become in future. Okay? Now let us know. Valli and Chittu talk about the previous night. So here we will know about the previous night. Okay. Here we will do about the previous night. Means how we will use this, basically the past tense. Like, where were you last night, Valli? Okay, this is just because of the previous night we are talking about. So that is why where you has been used here. Okay, I was in a party. Okay, suppose if today she is in a party, she will be in a party. How will she reply that I am in a party? Okay, but it is the thing is already happened. That is why she is saying I was in a party. Mom and dad, they were also with me. What about Kevin and Geeta? Hey, he was with me, means Kevin was with her and she was at home, like Geeta was at home. Was that fun? Yes, it was really fun, Chittu. We were happy. Now, I was, he was, she was, it was, this was, that was. We were, you were, they were, this were, those were. Okay? So, you have to focus on pronouns and was, were verbs in the above dialogues as well as the table given, this one for your more practice. Okay, children? Now, we means here we are saying we was happy. No, we were happy. We were happy. You were happy. He was happy. They were happy. She was happy. I was happy. Okay. Now fill in the blanks with was and were. I was happy. We were sad. You were tired. He was thin. It was cold. These were my pens. That that was my toy. She was lazy. They were sick. Those were my pets. Okay, children. So understood how you have to do this? Okay. Now next comes fill in the missing letters. You have to fill the blanks with missing letters. Okay, children. The first one is chef. 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 Pilot. 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 Dancer. 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 Now word wall. Seem, best, name, ran, read, over, such, way, to, until. Children, you have to learn this because jumbled words or missing letters can come from here. So if that will come, you will not get nervous. Okay. Now you have to read aloud and circle this whole words you see in the word wall. You have to circle these words which you have seen in the word wall. See, they seem tired. Seem you will get here. Seem you will circle. He is my best friend. Best you will get here. Best you will circle. Okay, in this way you have to whatever you will see you have on the word wall you have to circle that. Okay. Now let us practice. I am Kala. My father is a farmer. Who are you? What does your father do? I am Balu. My father is a tailor. Okay. So I am Kala. My father is a farmer. Who are you? What does your father do? I am Balu. My father is a tailor. Okay. So I am Raju. My father is a policeman. With the fill in the blanks with my and your. I am Raju. My father is a policeman. I am Kevin. My uncle is a singer. Uma, your mother is a nurse. I am Sam. My brother is a football player. Babu, your grandma is a teacher. Okay. Now listen to this and repeat. OY words like boy, toy, oyster. Okay. OY words as in oil, coin, boil. Okay. So children, this joy, soy, cloy, coy, boy, toy, join, coil, toil, foil, point, join. This you have to learn for your exam so that jumble words or missing letters can come. Okay. Now you have to read and match. The boy, oil, toy, coin, oyster, boil. Boy, you know which one. Oil also you know. Toy also you can see. Coin also you can see. Oyster is also given there and boil is also given there. Okay. Now again the word wall has come. Joy, soy, cloy, coy, boy, toy, boil, spoil, foil, join, boil, tell. Okay. Now read aloud. The boy has a toy. Give me a coin. The soil is soft. Boil the oil now. Now circle the odd one. Toy, joy, ploy, pot. Which is the odd one? Pot. Okay. Boil, soil, pain, coil. Which is the odd one? Pain. Soy, pan, boy, coy. Which is the odd one? Pan. Point, joint, spoil, school. Which is the odd one? School. Okay. Now tick the correct one. You have to tick the correct one. Here is a doctor. So the profession of a doctor goes with the injection. Okay. Now an egg on the top. There is a small story. There is an egg on the top. Who can win the egg? I am fast. I am the best. I can run to the top. You cannot win, yells the ox. I am quick, I am the best. I can win, I can hop to the top, yells the rat. You can run, you can hop, but you cannot win. I will win as I have a jet, yells the hen. Yes, I got the egg, says the hen. Oh no, the egg cracks. What is it? Ah, a dragon. Where is my jet? Says the hen. We have your dog, you have your dragon. We will have your jet, said the ox and the rat. They both fly away. Okay, so they were very clever. Okay, what they have seen that the hen got the egg, but what was inside it? A dragon. So they flew away. Now match the dialogues with the pictures. I am fast. Who said I am fast? The ox said the second picture. I am quick. Who said this? The rat. And I have a jade. Who said this? A hen. Tick correct yes or no. The cat is there is a cat on the hill. No. The rat has a jet. No. There is a dragon in the egg. Yes. The ox and the rat can fly away. Yes. Choose and write what you can do. I can jump. So next one I can hop. I can run. I can swim. I can sing. Now color the picture of the farmer. Paste woolen thread on the outline of the field. Fill the field with sand using glue. Paste wooden thread on the outline of the hill. Color the ribbon. Children, you can do this with your own. Okay, I have told you this one before also. And he is a farmer. He is a farmer. Now I can do take correct pictures for the given sentences. I grow vegetables. Who grows vegetable? Farmer. So you will give a tick on farmer. I treat sick people. Who treats sick people? Doctor. Okay, you will give a tick mark on doctor. I fly in the sky. Who can fly in the sky? Pilot. The first picture. Okay. Now match the pictures with the words. Driver goes with the second picture, bus. Fisherman, also the second one, net. Teacher goes with book, doctor goes with injection, farmer with the stool, and tailor with the scissor. Okay. Now circle the picture with OI or OY song. Okay. Boy, you will circle. Okay. OI oil, you will circle. Okay. So this two you will circle. Now fill in the blanks with was or were. She was happy, it was raining. They were in the park. I was tired. We were friends. You were thin. Okay, you was thin. You were thin. Now next, tick the correct sentence. I am Nitin. My father is a teacher. My father is a farmer. What is there in the picture? Farmer. So my father is a farmer. I am Tina. My father is a nurse. My mother is a nurse. My mother is a tailor. So here is a picture of a nurse. So my mother is a nurse. I am Ravi. My brother is a fisherman. My brother is a chef. Sorry. So my brother is a chef. Listen to the teacher read the story and circle the words the teacher repeats. My name is Abdul. You will circle name. Okay, you will circle name. His best friend is Manu. Best you will circle. Best you will circle. His house is too far. Two you will circle. He rides a bicycle all the way to see me. Way you will circle. I wait until he comes. Until you will circle. We run over the hill to play every evening. Over you will circle. Okay. Now recite the point of former in the field. You have to recite this. Now name the people who help us. You can name the people. If the question comes, you can easily answer. Then describe the work that people do. You have to describe the words like The doctor treats the sick people. Okay, so this you have to do. Okay, children. So children, jumble words or missing letters easily can come objective type questions in. So don't get nervous. If you will read the book very nicely, you can answer it very well. Okay, children. Conjunctions we had already done it. Today we will do the conjunctions. So what are conjunctions? First, let me tell you what are conjunctions. In grammar, conjunction is a part of speech that connects word phrases or clauses that are called the conjuncts of the conjunctions. The term discourse marker is mostly used for conjunctions joining sentences. Okay, children. Now you can see this picture and read the sentences under it. Jack went up the hill. Jill went up the hill too. There is a two sentence. Now, how you will form this in one sentence? By adding and. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Okay. Next, Namita is short, Rita is tall. So, how you will join this sentence to make in one sentence? With the help of but. Namita is short, but Rita is tall. Sahil is ill, he cannot go to school. Sahil is ill, so he cannot go to school. Is the coffee hot? Is the coffee cold? So, is the coffee hot or cold? I cannot eat these grapes, they are sour. He cannot eat these grapes because they are sour. Sarita's sister is the only 3 years old, she goes to school. Sarita's sister is only 3 years old, yet she goes to school. Okay? Now, words that join two words or group of words are called joining words or conjunctions. In the sentences given on the previous page, we see that sorry, and, but, so, or yet, and because are some joining words. Okay? Now underline the conjunction in the following. John cut the cake after everyone sang for her. So which is the conjunction here? After. The thief broke the lock and entered the house, and is the conjunction. I went to bed because I was tired. Because you is the conjunction. Anu is pretty though she is short. Though is the conjunction. Will you have an apple or a pear? Or is the conjunction. English is easy but maths is difficult. Okay, so maths is the conjunction. She is clever but lazy. But is the conjunction. Okay, children. Now fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Will you come by bus or train? Or train. Run fast so you will miss the trains. Run fast because you will miss the train. Mr. Paul is late and he missed his bus. Mr. Paul is late because he missed his bus. Okay, birds can fly, but men cannot. Okay, Anwar passed dash he worked hard. Anwar passed because he worked hard. I read the story, but I did not understand it. Jack is jumping, but Mary is skipping. Okay, now join these sentences together using suitable conjunctions. We boil the potato, we make sandwiches. We boil the potato so that we can make sandwiches. Or you can write like this: we boil potatoes to make sandwich. Okay? She sings well, she sings too loudly. She sings well, though she sings well, she sings too loudly. Okay. Radha is limping, she has hurt her foot. Radha is limping because she has hurt her foot. I like Kamal, I do not like Narayan. I like Kamal, but I do not like Narayan. They tried quite hard, they lost the match. They tried quite hard, but they lost the match. She was very tired, she went on studying. She was very tired because she went on studying. Okay, we cannot eat these grapes, they are sour. We cannot eat these grapes because they are sour. I like him, he is honest. I like him because he is honest. I will not help you, you are a lazy boy. I will not help you because you are a lazy boy. Shahid is poor, he is honest. Shahid is poor, but he is honest. Shahid is poor, but he is honest. Fill in the blanks with the correct conjunctions from the bracket. Those mangoes are ripe and sweet. It was hot, so I switched on the fan. Sheila lit a candle because it was dark. I did not go out because it was raining. A baby elephant is not very tall, but it is very heavy. Okay, a baby elephant is not very tall, but it is very heavy. So, children, you have understood conjunctions. Okay, is it clear to you all? Okay. We boiled the potatoes to make sandwiches. She sings well, but she sings too loudly. Radha is limping because she has hurt her foot. I like Kamal, but I do not like Narayan. They tried quite hard, but they lost the match. She was very tired because she went on studying. We cannot eat grapes because they are sour. I like him because he is honest. I will not help you. I will not help you because you are a lazy boy. Shahid is poor, but he is honest. Okay, children? So, children, till children, like till here only we will do. Okay, so if you have not understood anything, okay, so you can easily ask me on the group. Okay, children, so till that, goodbye, take care, have a nice day.